Hi friends, welcome to Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with me Prajuti Madhusudan. So in today's video, I'm going to do the second part of the warm-up routine. We did 2 steps in the previous video and we'll do the other 2 steps in this video. Before you start any workout, please make sure that you consult your physician and please do listen to your body. Don't force yourself to do anything that's uncomfortable. If you feel breathless or you feel dizzy, then you need to please stop. Okay, don't continue working through discomfort. But enjoy whatever workout you do. So let's begin. So in the previous video, I'll just recap. We did 2 movements. One was where you lift your left arm as you stretch your right leg, and then you lift your right arm as you stretch your left leg. So that was the movement that we did, the first one. And the second movement that we did was when you lift your right leg and pump your arms down, then you raise your arms as your leg goes down, and then you pump your arms down as you raise your left leg. So these were the 2 movements that we did from the warm-up routine. Now today I'm going to show you a bit of travel. So we're going to just travel a little, because the reason we do a warm-up is to get our heart rate to go up a little so that our body gets some oxygen and we prepare ourselves for the workout that we are going to take on. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to take a step to our right and then tap the left. Then take a step to the left and tap our right. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we are not going to use our arms for any movement. It's just the footwork. Now when we step, we will add a little bounce so that we are working our legs, we are working our quads, we are working our calves and our hamstrings. Okay, so I'll tell you what I mean. So when you go up, take a step, you will go up. When you bring your feet together, you will dip a little. So bend your knees, step and dip, step, dip, step, dip, step, dip, step and dip. Okay, so let me just put on the music so that it's always nice to dance to music. So let me just put this on. Okay, so let's just start again with a step and dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a very simple movement, right? Now we'll do the same step and travel with it. So you're going to step slightly at the back. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just add the 2 movements together. The first 2 sets of 8 counts, we're just going to do it side by side from right to left, left to right. Then for the next 16 counts, we will travel back and forward. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you're going to travel. So back, 2, back, 2, back, 2, back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. So now we're going to add some arm movements when we travel. So when we go back, We are going to stretch our arms forward to start with, and you're going to pull your palms close to your shoulders. So you're squeezing your shoulder blades. So you take it back, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So this is when you go back. But as you travel forward, you're going to pull your arms down to your hips. 1 and 2. So you're pulling something down. 3 and 4. Again, going back. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down and down and down and down. Okay, now let's try this with the movement. So let's just add the movement first. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Again, step, tap, step, tap, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, step, tap, stretch, tap, step, pull, step, again, step, tap, step, tap, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, step, tap, step, tap, stretch, pull, stretch, pull. Well done. So shall we try that again? Let me just rewind the music. So let's try just the side step and the traveling back and forward. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Now taking it back. 1, take it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now add those arms and step, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Again, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, and stretch, pull, stretch, pull, stretch, pull, stretch, pull. Well done. So shall we try doing these steps a little faster? Because if you do it a little faster, you do get warm. Okay. So we'll do the side step and then the travel. Okay. Let the music change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Bounce. 6, 5. Feel the legs working. 2. Now step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now get ready to add those arms. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Okay, so once you practice this, you can put the first 2 steps and these 2 steps together along with your shoulder rolls and the shoulder lift and dip, and you'll get your warm-up. Okay, so you can do this warm-up sequence before doing any workout. It doesn't have to necessarily be before the workout that I am going to teach you. You can do it before any workout. So please do subscribe to my channel, Natya Aerobics and Natya Shakti Yoga with Prajuti. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. So in the next video, I'm going to start teaching you the dance routine, where I have combined some folk dance movements together to give you a feel of the Indian folk dances. But you will also get a good cardio workout when you do the whole sequence. But I'll just be doing 2 steps in each video, as I said. So it's just to teach you. The purpose of these videos is it's a tutorial. So I'm not going to be doing the whole workout. It's just 2 steps at a time so that you learn the right technique and you get the best out of your workout. My website will be live very soon, and all the complete collection of the Natya Aerobics workouts will be available on demand on my website. But I also wanted to tell you that I do fitness classes every morning, 6:30 to 7:30 GMT, that is UK time, and these classes are for women. I do a combo class where I do dance aerobics and I do weight training, a lot of thumbs and bums exercises, and yoga. You can email me if you want information about the classes, and the information will be in the description of this video and in every video that I'm going to be posting. So you can by all means email me for the information and you can join the classes. I have ladies from India and from UAE, and of course a lot of women from UK who join my classes, and they're getting amazing results. Women have lost 10 kilos, 5 kilos just doing this workout routine with me. I do it 4 times a week, Monday to Thursday, 6:30 to 7:30 a.m. GMT. So it's around 11:30 or 12 in the afternoon in India. So please do message me if you or email me if you would want to join the classes, and I'll send you the information. Of course, once the website is live, all the information will be on that, and you can subscribe and join my classes through my website. But in the meantime, you can contact me directly and join the classes. But if not, please do at least try and learn these steps, learn the routines, and enjoy your workout. And I shall see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.